Hi, I'm Kiera. Today I'll be showing you how to multiply decimal numbers. Okay, so you see this wonderful equation? Great. Okay, now we're going to be looking at these two top numbers. Now, 6.4. This 6 is a whole number, so we're going to look at it last. But this 4 is only part of a number. Okay, now that we figured that out, we're going to do 4 times 5. Great. And you know what? Forget the decimal. 4 times 5, well, easy. 20. So you're going to put your 0 down here and your 2 up over the 6. Now 6 times 5. Well, that's 30, but that 2. What do? We're going to do 30 plus 2. Well, I'm pretty sure 30 plus 2, well, 32. Okay, so that's your answer. But where does the decimal go? Since this decimal is only behind one number, the 4, it'll go behind only one number, the 0. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.